Think LaGuardia Airport is still a nightmare? Terminal B is about to prove you wrong. Let's dive into the transformation that's changing travel in New York City. Welcome to LaGuardia Airport's Terminal B. Originally built in the 1960s just before the World's Fair, this 1.3 million square foot terminal was completed in July of 2022 and features a large arrival and departure hall, 2 concourses, 35 gates, a new garage, new roads leading up to the terminal, and 2 additional miles of taxi space. As you walk into Terminal B, you'll notice the bright, modern, and airy space that is home to 6 airlines. If you're flying Air Canada, American Airlines, Frontier, JetBlue, Southwest, or United, you'll find plenty of space for check-in. The next thing you'll notice is 2 of the 4 art installations built specifically for this space. Sarah Z's Shorter Than the Day hangs in the departure hall. The sculpture is designed to mirror the passage of time with multiple photos that capture the movement of time from day to night. The installation you can't miss surrounds you from the moment you step into the space. Artist Laura Owens' 2-story tiled mosaic of iconic New York landmarks and symbols in the clouds is titled I Pizza New York. When you're ready to head to security, you'll pass under Laura Owens' mosaic to a security area that's more spacious than most. Just past security, you'll take either the escalators or the elevators to the central terminal. Once there, you'll immediately step into an open-air hub of shops, restaurants, and plenty of seating that makes this space the heart of Terminal B. Whether you're looking to grab a cup of coffee, do some shopping, or just find a quiet spot to relax, you'll find it all right here. There are over 40 shops and dining locations to choose from. Here you'll find shops like Magnolia Bakery, Lego, Strand, Kate Spade, Starbucks, and more. It's here you'll run into the water feature, where 4,000 gallons of water flow through more than 450 individual valves, resulting in beautiful displays. And you'll find Jet Behinds All Your Wishes. There are 70 mirror balloons and 30 modified social benches in the installation. The balloons are placed throughout the terminal, encouraging us to look up, while the bench's design is meant to encourage social interaction. On this morning, we grabbed a quick bite from Zaro's before heading to Gate 27 to meet our American Airlines flight. Make sure you're subscribed to catch the next video on our Planes, Trains, and Automobiles series, where we'll compare an American Airlines regular seat to their main cabin extra to see if it's worth the price. So this is our first time here at this terminal. This is our second time in LaGuardia since it's been redone. This is all new to us. When we came in this way, when we returned from our last trip to Florida, everything was closed. So surprisingly, everything is open right now. And it is very early in the morning. It looks like they're still working on things. But it's a nice terminal. They have seating along the way. We are now headed to our gate, which is gate 27. And it looks like we have to go down a set of escalators, which is unusual. I'm used to leaving the central area and then just going down a hallway and finding my gate. But let's see what we'll find when we get down here. And there are elevators, so escalators straight ahead and elevators are off to the right. Looks like a bunch of comfy couches too. We found the airline lounge. Looks like it's here in between floors. So this is the Admirals Club. And down below that are the gates. So we checked out the lounge, and they do not take American Express or Priority Pass. They only take their own American Airlines card. If you're looking for lounges in this terminal, you'll find Air Canada, American Airlines Admiral Club, American Express Centurion, Chase Sapphire, and United lounges. Also, while we didn't need it on this trip, you can find a children's play area after security near gates 40 to 59. And good to see that there are more shops and places to get food over here. So, and great seating. So we are headed to gate 27. So this is really nice. If we had realized that there was food here, we would not have stood in line in the central terminal. We would have just come down here. There's plenty to eat here. 27 is all the way over there in the corner. And I'm guessing restrooms are right here. It's very sleek, very modern, and quiet. We hope this gives you a better idea of what to expect here at LaGuardia's Terminal B. Be sure to leave us a comment below and let us know what you think of this new terminal. And take a look at our travel gear links in the description below. Remember to check out our Planes, Trains, and Automobiles playlist where we explore terminals, lounges, and more. We'll link that for you here and below. Thank you so very much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you know when the next adventure begins. And no matter where your next adventures take you, we hope that you enjoy the journey. Bye now.